Hi, my name is Cookie, and we're at the Munitions Clearance Week this year in 2025. Let's take a look what's happening this year. For the second time, experts and innovators from around the world came together to tackle one urgent goal: clearing our oceans of old munitions. Let's see what new technologies they brought with them. Our first stop is EvoLogics, and let's take a look what's happening here. Could you tell us a little bit about the exhibition here?
What we see here is a surface vehicle. The surface vehicle named Sonarbot, equipped with different communication technologies, GNSS technologies and different sensors. This vehicle can dive, and this vehicle is an optimal distance to the seafloor. That's possible to, say, stay or operate in, for example, 50-meter depths, or flow over ground guided by DVL. For me, it's very important here are different ways to detect things that are very dangerous on the seafloor, for the nature and so on. And we as EvoLogics be a small part to help to clear nature, the seas from the danger objects.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But there are not only small vehicles helping us to protect our oceans. In front of the Wunderino Arena, we can find this giant. Let's see what Euroatlas can tell us about it.
This is the so-called Grey Shark. This is a fully autonomous underwater vehicle. The drone will be capable to go down to up to 4,000 meters. And as soon as if you find something, there is a lot of communication power in there. So we believe it's super important that we do something. The industry can deliver. We have the technology. So it's now really up to the politicians really to release the funds to tackle this problem that we have this evil stuff on the bottom, on the ground, which becomes worse and worse in its conditions by the minute, by the day.
It's not just the hardware that has evolved since the last exhibition. Artificial intelligence is taking munition clearance to an entirely next level. North.io, the founder of this conference, give us exclusive insights into their latest innovations.
Yeah, North.io is a software specialist specialized on underwater data. So we are working with very, very big size underwater data, applying cloud technologies, AI for managing, but also for analytical approaches, finding munition, working in the field of defense and critical infrastructure. So this is our role in this whole.
Could you tell us what are you exhibiting here?
What you can see here is actually our technology, for example. So the technology is a cloud-based technology where we can store, manage, visualize tremendous amounts of underwater data. This is a very, very new technology, not available at all in the market, so we are the first ones who developed something like this. We're also developing the data standardization technologies and also the big data analytical approaches for this.
These were only a few of the things to discover here at the Kiel Munition Clearance Week. There are many more technologies, ideas and scientific approaches to tackle this growing problem in our seas. With collaboration, innovation and determination, clearing our oceans is no longer just a vision, it's becoming reality.